In order to use Craft 5X without any problems, please clean the chamber room every day. First, open the table door. Push the wet-dry handle all the way to the wet position. Move the drain hose to the water tank. After pressing the water button on the home screen and turning the valve of the water gun attached to the right, clean the inside including the tool pocket and silicone. Clean the bellows and holder thoroughly. And please clean the inside as shown in the video. After finishing cleaning, close the valve first. Please press the water button again. After cleaning, please replace the water in the water tank with clean water. When you put the filter in water, insert the filter deeply so that it is submerged in water.